the Ahmedabad chapter of the Public Relations Council of India (PRCI) has announced the celebration of International Women's Day with the Indradhanush 2025 Awards on March 6, 2025 at Ahmedabad Management Association (AMA). The awards take inspiration from the seven vibrant colors of the rainbow Vibgyor, symbolizing hope, promise, and cultural significance. Punjab National Bank (PNB), India's first Swadeshi bank, established in 1895, is the lead sponsor for this initiative. Speaking about PNB's commitment to empowering women, Abhilasha Bolia, Circle Head, Ahmedabad Circle, stated that PNB takes immense pride in supporting and celebrating the outstanding achievements showcased through Indradhanush 2025. Report Bilkul Online.
I'm Abhilasha Bolia. I'm Circle Head Punjab National Bank for Ahmedabad Circle. And we are supporting this particular program of PRCI on International Women's Day because we believe women are the partners in growth of the economy, and once they are out, they are moving ahead, they're definitely going to take the economy one step ahead. And I feel that a lady who is educated will bring the whole family up. Similar way, a lady who is participating in economy will scale up many other people who are down the line and need support for elevation in their lifestyles. So the employment generation comes with them, the care comes with them, management comes with them, and that is why PNB as a brand is supporting International Women's Day, and we support PRCI for the same reason.
When we talk about banking, what is your comment on how women have equipped themselves with banking facilities, and in general, how has banking helped women to progress in life, and in particular your bank, the PNB?
Women are now having jobs in banks very often because they find it quite convenient to handle the banks in that particular matter than any other field jobs. And further, there is no description generally in terms of salaries as well as the retirement ages. So both the ways women are being preferred equally. Further, bank has got special schemes for women, designed for women, and they get support in terms of discussions and any other queries they have related to their financial journey.
And how do you feel being a woman and you have reached this stature, and how have you enjoyed it, and what were the challenges that you
Challenges remain still there because it's still a male dominated society. However, people have now understood and they support women coming up front. So it's an enjoying journey. The harder you work, harder you can bring up your female colleagues with you. You can bring up the society people and as well as the other women in the society. So altogether, it's a learning and progressive journey.
And what will be your message for the youngsters, especially the women, young girls?
Yeah, do not hesitate to work, do not hesitate to plan your life and support others, because when you plan to support others, they will take another step to support other women in life. So let's become at par with everyone in the society and equally contribute.
Thank you.